Every day in the USA, people find themselves in court.
All right. Are you Tanya Marie Yoder, now known as Tanya Marie Moeller?
I am.
Mohler?
Correct, Your Honor.
You got charged with larceny by stealing an alleged wallet containing $180 in cash that belonged to Richard Roll. And that happened in March of 2023. That is a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 93 days in jail and a fine of up to $500. The warrant was issued in May. You got arrested in November. You came to court and you pled not guilty that day. We weren't available to do a pretrial right at that time, so they set the pretrial for this morning. Met with Mr. Marvin, the county prosecuting attorney, and he says you're going to enter a plea to taking that man's wallet. Is that correct?
Yeah, I picked it up out of the basket.
All right. Well, you heard me go through the advice of rights with the other person. You understand you have those same rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you to get you to plead to this?
No.
Or promise you anything?
No.
All right. Everything seems to happen at Walmart. Were you at the Walmart store on March 31st?
Yeah.
And this Mr. Roll left his wallet in the motorized cart?
Correct.
And then you came upon it?
Yep.
Tell me what happened.
I come up on it. I had headed for my vehicle, went to the vehicle. My son and his friend were in the vehicle at that point. It was in my son's possession, so I admit to taking it out of the basket. After that, it was out of my control, and yeah.
All right. Do you know whatever happened to it?
Do not.
The wallet? The
And
wallet
the-
was thrown, she threw the wallet in the garbage can.
No, I did not. That wallet
On
did not go in
video.
that
All right,
garbage.
well, yeah.
No, that wallet did not go in that garbage can. That wallet at that time, when I drove out of that Walmart parking lot, was in my son's possession, not mine. So unless the man has his stuff back out of that trash can, it was not put in that trash can. That's hearsay.
Your Honor, I wonder if
All right.
it's worth our time
Yeah.
doing a PSI. There's a video. And
Yes,
maybe she can remember what
Oh,
she
she
threw in
told
the
me
trash
she
can.
took it, so that's sufficient.
I did take it.
All right, you're not the least bit repentant. It's like, well, there's a video of you throwing this thing in the trash. So I guess we'll set this out for sentence and we'll take a look at the video. But it doesn't matter. The guy's out $180. You took it, you gave it to your son. He bought who
I didn't
knows
give it
what.
to nobody, but
Well, what did you didn't give it back to the guy that owned it.
well, yeah, I tried, but I have a child who is off the wall. I can't even get a PPO against my child in this county. So yeah, once I got to the car with it, I was threatened. So what you see me throw away was trash that my son piled in my seat. When I put my purse and that down, then he copped onto it. Oh, what's this? Well, finders keepers. Well, that's not how his mother works. I've never been that way. I have a very clean record. Other than child support and
All right, well, slow down. I'll take a breath.
no, I'm just over everything that's happened in the past 6 months with my kids.
Now, your name was Yoder and it became Moeller. Did you get married to Moeller or did you?
Yes, I remarried. I divorced in 2012. I divorced Raymond Matthew Yoder.
So your name's been Moeller for a number of years.
Yes,
Okay.
it just shows up in this county because I was a foster parent for 10 years under Judge Shoemaker and community mental health.
All right, let's bump this out and I'll take a look at things. For one thing, we're gonna have to give this guy his money back. You're gonna have to pay $180
And that's fine.
restitution, no matter what happens. So that would be helpful if you brought that with you when we come back to court.
I will be over before that to pay it.
All right, let's take a look here. Let's set this for sentencing at 10 a.m. on Wednesday, January 17th. And I'll watch the video in the meantime. I am watching one for this morning. All right, you're free to go. I'll see you on January 17th.
Yeah.